Welcome to today's lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to be looking at more change of subject of formula, more examples on change of subject of formula. So let's say if we have x to the power 3 minus 4 is equal to 5y, and you've been asked to make x the subject of formula, we are saying express x in terms of y in this case. So here you're going to take minus 4 to the right hand side and it becomes positive. That's 5y plus 4. And here you're going to find the cube root. You're going to find the cube root of both sides. Cube root of both sides, which means you're going to have 5y plus 4 under the cube root sign. So here I want you to understand that cube root is the same as raising to the power 1/3. And if you apply our laws of indices, it's like you're multiplying the outside power by the inside power and you get 1. In the here you remain with the x being equal to the cube root of 5y plus 4. Let's look at another example. Another example says the cube root of x over k is equal to w, and you are asked to make k the subject of formula, but you cannot get to k before you remove the cube root sign. So how do you remove the cube root sign? We are saying for you to remove the cube root sign, you need to raise both sides to the power 3. So here I want you to understand again that this expression under the cube root sign is the same as an expression that is raised to the power 1/3. And what we have done, we have raised this expression to the power 3 again. The reason being, we want to clear this power so that we remain with only 1. So once you do this, you're going to remain here with x over k being equal to w to the power 3. And if you multiply both sides by k, you're going to clear the fraction this side and you remain with x, and here you're going to have k w to the power 3. And now if you want to make k the subject of formula, then you divide both sides by w to the power 3. And here these two are going to cancel each other out, and you're going to remain with x being equal to x over w cubed being equal to k. And you can write your final answer as k is equal to x over w cubed. And here you will be done factorizing. So I want to look at this example again. This example is written this way: half bx, and you are asked to make x the subject of formula. So whenever you have a fraction on one side, look at the value of the denominator, and the next stage is to multiply both sides by the value of the denominator, which means this is what you were supposed to have done on this question. You're supposed to have multiplied both sides by 2. The purpose being you want to clear the fraction. So here you're going to say 2 into 2, 1, 2 into 2, 1. And here you're going to have 2a being equal to bx. And then you divide both sides. You divide both sides by b, and you're going to have 2a over b being equal to x, and you can write your final answer as x is equal to 2a over b. Okay, let's look at another example. Let's say you have a question that says, let's say you have a question that says v squared is equal to u squared plus 2ax, and you're asked to make u the subject of formula. To make u the subject of formula, make u the subject of formula. So here you're going to remove this expression from the right hand side. So when it comes to the left hand side, it becomes negative 2ax, and here you're going to remain with the u squared. And the next stage is to find the square root of both sides. The square root of both sides. So square root is the same as raising to the power half, which means here this is what we are doing. We are raising this expression to the power half so that we remain with power 1. And our next expression will look like square root of v squared minus 2ax is equal to u. And then you can write your final answer as u is equal to the square root of v squared minus 2ax. So here you will be done changing the subject of formula. So I just thought I should go through a few more examples just to help you understand how to go about answering these questions on change of subject of formula. So thank you so much for watching.